Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. Today, we have come up with the news of Jessica Steen from the television series Heartland. Was Jessica previously in a relationship but not married yet? Does she have a husband and children? Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Can a person be so busy that they forget they have a social life to live? Maybe not. But you can't blame Jessica Steen for not being able to focus on her dating life since she is so busy doing remarkable things with her professional status. The 55-year-old Steen has been in the television and film business since she was 8. Her mother was an actress and the father was a director, which gave Jessica an early boost in her life. But what about her dating life? Is she married? Does she have a husband and children? It's very concerning. To tell you the truth, Jessica Steen has never been married. She was once rumored to be dating one of her co-stars of the show Homefront, David Newsom, but there is barely any information regarding how true it is. But as for now, she is as clean as water when it comes to dating. We know you're all concerned and even she knows the fact that she isn't getting any younger. But it's never too late to fall in love. This is what all her fans have to say to Jessica. Jessica's career highlights and net worth. Born on December 19, 1965 in Toronto, Canada, Steen had an interest in acting ever since she was a child. Both her parents are in the film business. Her mother Joanna Noyes is an actress and her father Jan Steen is a director and actor. She started her professional career at the tender age of 8 when she was cast in a Canadian children's television series, The Sunrunners, starring her mother. By the time she was in her 20s, she was already starring in movies. Her big break came when she was nominated for a Gemini Award in 1988 for her performance in the television series Captain Power and The Soldiers of the Future and musical Sing. She took her work to the big stages of Hollywood in 1991 after she did fill a stint on the post-WW2 TV show Homefront on ABC. After that, she has done plenty of films and TV series such as Threshold, Armageddon, Apocalypse 4, Captain Power, and The Soldiers of the Future, Earth 2, NCIS, Heartland. With all the films and television series with her name under the bag, she has an estimated net worth of $2 million. Besides acting, she is also an active environmentalist and animal rights supporter. She is also a skilled arts slit walking, fire eating and fire twirling and also a certified diver. She plays the character of Lisa Stillman in the television series Heartland. Jessica Steen answers questions for fans of Heartland. In a question-answer session with fans, Jessica Steen answered a lot of entertaining questions and she definitely didn't shy away from the personal ones. She answered a lot of private questions regarding her experiences of the past, as well as how she discovered her love for her work. The actress revealed that she got into acting at a young age due to her parents' influence, stating that after finding working with her mother on her first show as well as being involved in some commercials and some small-time stuff, she eventually found herself attracted to showbiz. Similarly, she answered that her favorite roles amongst all her works were in Small Gifts, Armageddon, Homefront and Strikers Mountain. She also added that she loved traveling, and due to her work as well as personal adventures, she has had the opportunity to visit places such as South Africa, Belize, Turkey, New Zealand, all over Europe, Thailand, Cambodia, Costa Rica, Mexico, Jamaica, Barbados, Turks, France, and Caicos. Steen had the opportunity to talk about her hardest experience on set as well as stating, "I am not sure if you mean on Heartland alone, because there ain't nothing but pure joy on Heartland, or if you mean on the set during my whole career, I will use something from another job because one of the great things about Heartland is that it is not hard, it is fun." I guess I will say that a couple of times on the feature film Armageddon were hard due to the pressure. On a big production like that, tensions ran a little high and I found myself a little under the gun running with the big guns on that one. But it was a thrill too. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, news and updates you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We hope you liked it. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.